Hello dear friends, welcome to Shiksha Mantra. Open your eyes and try to find out what you really want. Do you have any particular goal to follow? Do you want to see yourself in a different career? So here's your opportunity. You must stay glued to this edu vlogging of Shiksha Mantra. If you want to choose medical field as your career, that means if you want to get success in NEET exam, here we have some good news for you. Just follow this, walk on this path. Are you confused? Do you want to find out which way to really reach your destination? Because as you know, NEET is never a very easy track to follow. Here you have to do something different. Here you have to prepare yourself to reach your destination. But the condition that our students are in at present, that's in this locked down condition, they have to prepare themselves with much maturity. They have to take themselves in a different position by using the means available nowadays. And here your laptop, your desktop or the mobile phone is of much use. You have to understand that you have your mobile phone to use with much sincerity so that you can find out a new way. And here we'll talk about an app that will help you in your preparation of NEET. It's safe and secured. So let's discover what app we are going to suggest here. So to find it out, you have to open Play Store first. So when you open Play Store, you have to go to the search option, and there in the search option just type NTA, and you'll get this logo, National Test Obvious. National Test Obvious or NTA, that's the app I was talking about. So tap on this app and you'll get to the National Test Obvious NTA eGov mobile app. So I have already installed it, and you'll get here option to install. But before we go to that installation, let me show you something that will be of much use. Why I have chosen this app? First, this is NTA eGov mobile apps. So it's a government mobile apps. This is the most important factor, that it is created by our central government. Here you may get the developer contact, and that's you know how to use it, and why this is very much important. Now let me show you about this app. This app is you may read it here from your Play Store. National Test Obvious app is designed to give students exposure to computer-based tests being conducted by India's National Testing Agency NTA. So you have got it. So here, with the help of National Test Obvious app, you can experience computer-based mock test for JEE Main and NEET on your mobile or tablet for free. So this is the most important factor if you want to crack JEE Main or NEET. If you want to get admitted to those prestigious institutions, and in this locked down condition you don't have much opportunity. So here you have the resources to follow. So just follow these resources, and obviously you'll get your preparation done. So before we install this, just explore this app. Here we have a video from NTA, and let us enjoy this and find out what comes here. So here you'll get an idea about what this app about, how it works. It takes 3 hours mock test. So it's a complete mock test that you will get here for NEET or for JEE Main. You will get answers, correct answers, and obviously with explanations. So you can do it all by yourselves. You'll get different sections like physics, chemistry, mathematics, everything, and it's available on Android. iOS is still not available, but you'll get it once it is started. So when you install this app, National Test Obvious, you will get a full test that is 180 minutes like this, and you can set in things. You have the options here, and you'll get questions like this with single choice, and here you will be finally given an impression what you have done, answered, correct, not answered, not visited, review letter, and you'll get everything finally what you get from this. So it's going to help you a lot. There would be a running time clock, a running clock that will tell you the time that's left for you, and after this you have to submit this, and you will get like this: total number of questions answered 75, answered 0, not answered 5, etc., etc. You will get details of physics, chemistry, and what you have finally scored here. Correct answers, how many corrects for each and every question. So you'll get a detail of what you have done and what's your preparation about. So it's going to be a very much useful app for the students. So when you install it, now open the page. The app takes a bit time to get opened, and then you have to log in here. So those who have just visited this app, you have to sign up by putting your name, what you are going to take: engineering, medical, lectureship, management, pharmacy. You may choose whatever you like, then your email ID or 10-digit mobile number, your gender, enrolled in a coaching institute, yes or no, and your address with name of the institute, city, town, etc., and then you have to sign up. After signing up, you have to log in, and you'll get the questions and the mock tests. Those are important for your preparation for JEE Main or your preparation for NEET, and also it will help you in other options like pharmacy, management, lectureship, whatever you like. So this is what is going to be a very much essential and very much useful app for you. So that's all from Shiksha Mantra today. We are returning very soon with some informative videos here in this channel. So stay with us, like, subscribe this channel with the notifications. Obviously we are returning very soon. Until then, bye bye, happy learning.